What's up, guys? My name is Mason Burchette. I'm the general manager of Best Buy Metals in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to talk to you today for a few minutes about a common misconception among homeowners about the cost difference between metal roofing and asphalt shingles. I'm on my roof today, which has an asphalt shingle roof installed. The asphalt shingle companies market their products as 25-year, 30-year, 40-year, and some even as lifetime products. Have you ever seen a shingle roof that looks like this one that's got streaks all up and down it? These streaks are actually alive. It's an algae called GLOEOCAPSMA magma, and it causes your shingles to age prematurely. When this algae is left unattended like it has been on this roof, and it mixes with fungus spores in the air, it'll create lichen spots on your roof. When lichen gets on your roof, it can actually grow strands that will penetrate through your shingles and cause roof leaks. If you get on your asphalt shingle roof, you'll probably see several spots like this one and this one over here, where likely hail or other debris has hit the roof and gone completely through the shingle, leaving the substrate underneath exposed to moisture. Now, the initial investment of these asphalt shingles versus a new metal roof is probably a little lower, but the long-term cost is substantially higher. Had the original homeowner chosen to go with a metal roof instead of these asphalt shingles, it wouldn't even be a third of the way through its lifespan right now. Instead, I'm looking at putting on a new metal roof this spring because these shingles have seen better days and they're ready to get ripped off. If your asphalt shingles look like mine and you're ready for a new metal roof that'll last you a lifetime, go ahead and give us a call or shoot us an email. Let us quote your roof for free so you can see what it would cost to have a metal roof on your home.